Hi everyone, in this video I will be explaining about try and except block in Python. So let's get started. So in many of the programming languages it is called as try and catch block, but in Python alone it is called as except block. So here I'm having a super simple code, okay? It's just a print statement. I'm just having print statement and I'm printing a variable n. Okay, but this will obviously throw as an error because I have not initialized the value of n. I'm not even declared n equal to some value. So I'm just trying to directly print some random variable n which doesn't even have any value. So if I just now run it, I'll be getting an error. Obviously it will throw an error, n is not defined something. Yeah, here you can see right, name error, n is not defined. So now I will show you how we can avoid this error being displayed in our output with the help of by using try and except block. Okay, so let me just now cut this. And for this, we need to enclose the particular statement that we're having in a program within the try block. Okay, so it's going to be try. And I've just come to the next line. You need to be careful with the indentation. Yeah, print. And next thing is going to be the except block. And in the except block, I will be having a print statement like error has occurred, something like that. So if I just now save it, I will just run it and explain you what is happening over here. So here you can see I'm getting the error has occurred and not the error like previously, the red color big error, n is not defined. So what basically this does is that in this particular code over here, we have placed the print statement within the try block. So we need to usually place any code that we are running within the try block over here. And if any error occurs to the code that is present within the try block, that will be caught or fetched by the except block, okay, and it will basically print this particular statement. So it's so simple. If there is no error within the try block, this except condition won't get executed at all. Like let's suppose that I'm just going to add n equal to 10 over here. So now there isn't any error within the try block. So this except block, this print statement will never get executed now. So if I just now run it, I'll be just getting the output as 10. Yeah, so here you can see I'm getting the output as 10 because there isn't any errors in this particular 2 lines of code that is present within the try block. So what happens is that this gets executed successfully and there isn't any errors. So if there is any error, if there isn't any error to be caught, the except block will not get executed forever. This won't even, the program control won't even come inside here. But what if there is some error within the code that is present inside the try block? So I will just remove this again. So now we are obviously having an error within the try block. Since there is an error over here, it will be caught by this except block and this print statement will be getting executed. So it's so simple, guys. If there is some error within the code that is present in the try block, this will get executed. If there is no error within the try block, this won't get executed and this output will be going with the program flow. As simple as that. Just a if else condition. Our condition for if statement is going to be error. If there is error, except will be executed. If there is no error, except won't be getting executed. So if I just now run it, we will be getting error has occurred over here. So this is it basically, and I hope you would have found this video useful. I've also run many other tutorials in Python, C, C++, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, Java. So do check other videos and playlist of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.